Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine. So today is gonna be yet another crochet braids tutorial. But before I get into that, if you're not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, today I'm super excited about this beautiful crochet braid. You guys know that I love doing crochet braids. I love the short ones, but I've never done anything this short. Like, as you guys can see, this crochet braid is really short, and it's an ombre. It's a mixture of dark brown and light brown on the tip and then black. It is absolutely beautiful. Like, this is just so me. I am so in love with this crochet braid. So this crochet braid is from Toyotress Hair company. I've tried a lot of their crochet braids. I'm going to put everything that has to do with the braids in the description box below, the link and everything, all the specs in the description box below. So in total, I use 8 packs to achieve this style. In one pack you have 20 strands. So I got 8 packs and I finished the 8 packs because when I finished crocheting it, I had little left, but I had to just put it in somewhere because I like mine to be full. But if you want yours fuller, you can definitely order more than 8, or if you don't want it fuller, you can do 7. 7 is okay. 7 is actually okay, but I decided to use all the 8 packs, and this is how it looks. And you guys know I really love crochet because you can style it in so many ways, and you can wash it or clean your roots if your root becomes dirty. And the most important thing is that you can style it in so many ways. I am so in love with this crochet braids. And without further ado, let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the packaging of the braids. So in total I have 8 packs, and in one pack it comes with 20 strands. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and do my braiding part. So in total I have 12 braids. So this is what the pattern looks like. So right here I'm gonna go ahead and start crocheting the twist to my hair. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of gel on my edges. And then I'm going to go ahead and tie a scarf and let it dry for like 10 minutes. So right here I'm going to go ahead and take off the scarf.